Hello, Paul again from EMD here. Just want to show what we're doing today. So before we put the intake manifold back on, we're going to finish off the compression check and the leak down test on this car. All the fuel line's been disconnected from the pump here, and at the same time disconnect the fuel pump on the actual 911E underneath the car on the left hand side, in front of the wheel arch of around here, just under there. You can see it there, somewhere there. That's where the fuel pump is. But let's have a look at the values of cylinder number 1 in PSI. Cylinder number 1 is 153, number 2 is 106, number 3 is 116, number 4 is 140, and number 5 is 108. So now we're doing number 6, which is the last one. So yep, give it a crank. Yep, it's pretty much this one here is 116.5. So this is the compression check. So this is pretty so the next one we're gonna do now is actually we're gonna do the leak down test, valve leak down test. So put number 1 top dead center and then follow the actual firing order by moving the tool along to see how much pressure the actual each cylinder can hold when we put 100 psi in. Okay, so if there's any leak in the valve or exhaust, you can hear on the exhaust. Also, any leak in the valve, exhaust valve or intake valve, you can hear on the exhaust or the intake. You can hear the air coming out. Anyway, let's go back to the actual the cold start ports I was doing. So this is it. If you look closely, this is the one I done. Alright, this is the one I done, and just look at the one that was in the car. Someone done that before. Put hose clamps on it. Really, really bad. Alright. If you look at that, would you want that or do you want that? Not sure what you can choose. Alright, but if you ask me, everything has to be done properly. Especially when it comes to fuel. Can't use hose clamp, you gotta use something like that. So you gotta use a fitting that's really tight, so it's very hard to push in. So that way when you crimp it, it's tight. Alright, okay, so now we're gonna finish off with that car. We're gonna assemble everything back on the car here, and then we'll do the rest after that. So hopefully today we'll do another video and I'll show you guys what's happening. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.